to see live. I don't know if you can. Sun's kind of bright.
Thank you for being a SkyBell HD customer. We are thrilled to have you join our mission to create safer homes and neighborhoods, starting with the front door. This video will show the process for installing your new SkyBell HD video doorbell. If at any point you need further assistance, please contact our customer service team. We are standing by 7 days a week to serve you. Our customer service center is open Monday through Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific, and Saturday and Sunday from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. Pacific. You can reach us at 844-256-1826 or by emailing service@skybell.com. It's a good idea to make sure that your setup is compatible with SkyBell HD. You can find a full checklist in the support section at skybell.com. First, check to make sure you have a wired doorbell chime. SkyBell is compatible with both mechanical and digital doorbell chimes. SkyBell is not compatible with wireless doorbell chimes. You can tell if you have a mechanical door chime by taking off the cover and checking to see if there is a metal chime that is hit with a striker. If you have a mechanical door chime, it will work with SkyBell without any changes. You can tell if you have a digital door chime by checking to see if there is a speaker that plays a doorbell sound. If you have a digital door chime, you'll need to install an adapter accessory and activate a setting in the app. Please see our digital door chime adapter video for details on how to install the adapter to the digital chime. To review detailed diagrams of acceptable power configurations, please visit skybell.com. Now we can begin the installation process. First, press your doorbell button to confirm that your home's doorbell chime currently works. Remove your current doorbell by cutting or removing the attached wires. Be sure they do not fall back into the wall. Run the wires through the mounting plate, making sure that the correct side of the mounting plate is facing you and facing up. Secure the mounting plate to the wall with the screws provided in the packaging. If you have a stone, brick, or metal surface, you'll want to use the included drill bit and anchors to secure the screws to the wall. Next, take a second to prepare the wires from the wall. Be sure they are clean and there is at least a ½ inch of exposed wire. We recommend forming them into a tight hook shape. With a Phillips screwdriver, loosen the screws on the mounting plate. Then, wrap one wire around one screw. Tighten the screw so that it holds the wire in place. Repeat this step for the other wire and screw. If your wires from the wall are braided, it helps to twist the wires until they are tightly wound. Now let's attach SkyBell HD to the wall mount. First, position SkyBell HD over the mounting plate so that the LED button is on the bottom and the back of the device is aligned with the opening in the mounting plate. Next, push down on the bottom of the SkyBell HD. Insert the set screw into the bottom of the SkyBell HD and tighten into place using a Phillips screwdriver. This secures your SkyBell HD to the mount. The LED light on the main button will illuminate. If the SkyBell HD battery needs to charge, you'll see a blinking red and blue light in the LED button. The battery usually charges in less than 10 minutes. If charging takes more than an hour, please contact customer support to select the SkyBell HD app.
Settings, you have, well, you can see it, front door, notifications. If you click on it, you can do button pressed or motion. Okay, the information, you could choose the LED color, so you could change that to pretty much any color. Brightness, I have a medium. And the brightness is when it picks up motion, it turns on the light. Indoor chime is on, outdoor chime is on, motion detection is on. These actually in 1080p. I leave the speaker volume at medium. And there's no integrations I have on here right now. And that's pretty much it. The SkyBell is done. It's a nice wide shot, nice and clear.